Can you tell me any five ratios as per your choice? Now, I will not restrict anyone to a specific one. Any kind of ratios will do. Anjali, go ahead.
Gross profit ratio, GP upon net sales into 100, net profit ratio, net profit after tax upon net sales into 100, any expense ratio is expense upon net sales into 100, current ratio is current asset upon current liability, and quick ratio is quick asset upon quick liabilities.
Perfect. So number 2.
Am I done?
Yours is done. Once again, this is one Viva. Again, I am going to check final assignment and there will be a Viva. So this is of 10 marks. One more I will take off 10 marks. Then only your 20 marks of assignment and Viva will be done. As we did last year also. I mean, last semester also.
No sir, last semester there were no 2 Vivas, एक ही हुआ था.
Yes, it was 2.
नहीं सर, एक ही हुआ था वाइवा.
नहीं हुआ तो इस बार 2. नहीं हुआ तो इस बार 2 होगा. नहीं हुआ तो इस बार 2 होगा.
चलेगा
तो
सर.
सर सेकंड में आप क्या पूछोगे?
बाकी के चैप्टर अभी और 2-3 चैप्टर खत्म करने ना. फाइनल डेट एग्जाम का डेट आया क्या आप लोगों का?
25 से चालू होगा.
कब से?
यस सर.
25.
25th of June.
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
So no Viva. This is only your final Viva.
Okay sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So next, roll number 2.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
This is the index page.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yeah. These are certain objectives. This is chapter 1. And this is ratio analysis.
जी, एक मिनट रुक जा. आई थिंक वो फोन पे है.
हाँ.
Will again same question from you also. Any 5 ratio of your choice.
Yes, sir.
Any 5 ratio of your choice.
Yeah. Gross profit ratio, that is GP divided by net sales into 100. Stock turnover ratio is cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. Current ratio, current asset divided by current liability. Proprietary ratio is proprietary fund divided by total assets. Capital gearing ratio is fund with fixed interest divided by funds with not fixed interest.
So this is how we expect every candidate should speak different kind of ratios. Roll number 3, accounts. Quick,
Yes, sir.
go ahead.
So this is my index page. This is first chapter.
Close the book. Any 5 ratio. Try to avoid the ratios what they have stated.
Okay, sir.
Go ahead.
Operating ratio, cost of goods sold plus operating expenses divide by net sales into 100. Then return on interest capital employed, operating net profit plus interest divided by net capital employed into 100. Then return on proprietary funds. So net profit after tax plus interest divided by shareholders funds into 100. Then debt equity ratio, debt that is long term borrowings divided by equity that is shareholders funds into 100. Then debt turnover ratio, uh, net credit sales divided by average debtors plus bills receivable. Uh, then with proprietaries ratio, proprietors funds divided by total assets into 100. And earning per share ratio, net profit after tax plus no, minus preference dividend divided by number of equity shares.
Done. Next, roll number 4.
Yes, good evening, sir. This is my workbook index, chapter 1, total 52 pages.
Your video is not on. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, it is on. I'm having network issues.
Okay, Julie. Any 5 ratios with your choice. Avoid
Yes.
previous ratio should not be repeated. Go ahead.
Stock to work capital, closing stock upon working capital into 100. Then debt equity ratio, borrowed fund from proprietors fund, capital gearing ratio, preference capital plus borrowed fund upon equity shareholders fund. Then debt service ratio, profit before interest and tax upon interest. And debtors turnover, is it done? Credit sales upon debtors plus bills receivable.
Chalo, next, roll number 5.
Hello.
Roll number 5, accounts. Absent. Roll number 6, accounts. Okay, these were absent even in cost accounting. Now let us go to management. Roll number 1. Management, roll
Yes,
number
sir.
1. Yeah, go
Yes,
ahead.
sir. Yes, sir.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah. नहीं बेसको નથી માનો Done.
Any five ratio with your choice.
Done. Any five ratios. So debtors turnover ratio, number of times receivable credit sales upon turnover. नहीं, average account receivable. Current ratio, current assets upon current liabilities. Quick ratio, quick assets upon quick liabilities. Third वाली बस
Okay. Roll number 2 of management.
exam.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. This is my index page. Roll number and index. Chapter number 2, time value of money.
Good. Close the book. Any five ratio, Rohan.
Yes, sir. Capital gearing ratio, long-term debt upon preference share capital divided by equity share capital by reserve and surplus. EPS is equal to earnings available for equity shareholder divided by number of equity shares. Debt equity ratio, long-term debt upon shareholders fund. Operating profit ratio, EBIT upon sales into 100. Gross profit ratio, GP upon sales into 100.
Very nice. Next, roll number 3.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
This is my index page. This is chapter number 2. This is chapter number 1.
Okay. Done.
Done, sir.
Any five ratio.
And 5. No idea, sir.
Roll number 3. Sorry, roll number 4.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. And dear student, you must have realized that every student is coming up with different kind of ratio. So it will be a revision for you all. And tomorrow when we will do the reverse calculation, it is going to help you in that topic. So kindly be very careful when they are updating your ratio, when they are giving their formulas, because tomorrow when we will do the reverse calculation, we have to apply all the formulas. Go ahead, Ritik.
Sir, roll number 4.
Hmm.
Chapter 1, objectives. Chapter 2,
Very good.
yes, sir.
Any five ratio.
Stock working capital. Closing stock divided by working capital into 100. Quick ratio, quick asset divided by quick liability. Current ratio, current asset divided by current liability. and debt equity ratio, borrowed fund divided by present fund, and
Perfect.
that's the.
Go. Rule number 5,
Thank you.
management.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
What the fuck is- 1 second. Sir, this is my index.
Close the book. Any 5 ratio, Asta.
Earning per share ratio, that is net profit after tax minus preference dividend upon number of equity shares. Then earnings per share ratio, that is market price of shares per share upon earnings per share. Then debt equity ratio, that is debt upon equity. Debt is long-term borrowings and equity shareholders funds. Then capital gearing ratio, that is interest upon funds.
Very good. Rule number 7 of accounts.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rule number 7.
Accounts ना सर की मैनेजमेंट.
Accounts. हो गया ना 6 तक लिया था, अभी accounts will start again.
हाँ सर बोलो.
कौन
एक
है?
मिनट.
Any 3 ratios. Assignment I have checked yours.
Okay sir.
3. Any
सर
3.
क्या बोलूँ?
Any 3 ratios of your choice.
Creditor turnover ratio, net credit purchase divided by average creditors plus risk payable. Dividend payout ratio, total equity dividend per shares divided by EPS into 100. Yield ratio, dividend, equity dividend per shares divided by market price into 100. Interest coverage ratio, NPBT plus interest divided
नहीं
by.
मांगा है, अभी मेरे को टाइम नहीं है इतना.
Sorry.
चलो next. Roll number 8.
हो गया ना?
Roll number 8.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
This index.
Pass. Okay, Vijay. Any 3 ratio. Quick. Viraj, sorry.
Under profit and loss ratio, stock turnover ratio, cost of goods sold upon average stock into 100. Under balance sheet ratios, quick assets upon quick liabilities into, and then under composite ratios, debt service ratio, which is profit
Great.
before interest and
Very
tax
nice.
upon
Roll number
interest.
9. So he has stated all 3 में से 1. Very good. Roll number 9. Account.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. This is my index page, and this is third chapter.
Close. Any 3
Done, sir.
ratios. Any 3 ratios.
Okay. Current ratio is current assets upon current liabilities. Quick ratio, quick assets upon quick liabilities. And pricing, price earning ratio is market price of shares upon earning per share.
Roll number 10. Account.
Yes sir.
Go ahead.
So index. So time value of money. First.
Any three ratio, be quick.
Yes, sir. Stock turnover ratio, cost of goods sold upon average stock, stock working capital, closing stock upon working capital into 100, and debt equity ratio, debt long term upon equity.
Account roll number 11. Account roll number 12. Account roll number 13. Account roll number 14. So these were absent. Anyone still there who were absent yesterday in accounts?
Yes, sir. Me.
Roll number?
29, sir. Bhushan Shukla.
Go ahead. Quick.
1 second, sir. So this is my index. Time value of money.
Any three ratio, Bhushan, quickly. Close the book.
Sir. Current ratio, current asset upon current liability. Quick ratio, liquid asset upon current liability. Return on capital employed ratio, net profit after tax upon gross capital employed into 100. GP ratio, GP upon net sales into 100. Absolute.
Next. Anyone still left in accounts? जिन्होंने आज और कल वाइवा नहीं दिए हैं? No one. So CR, kindly take down who were absent in my exam. Hetal. Hetal is
सर
there.
हेतल चली गई.
तुम लिख लो कौन कौन absent थे.
ओके सर बोलो.
Roll number 5, 6.
सर मेरा बाकी है अकाउंट्स.
Roll number 5, 6.
5, 6.
11, 12.
Sir.
13, 14. 15, 16. 18, 19. 21, 22. 24, 25, 26, 27.
22.
21, 22, उसके 24, 25, 26, 27 and 33.
5, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 21, 22, 24.
Second, Virar fast. वापिस बोल.
5, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 33.
Absolutely right. डाल दो ग्रुप पे.
सर मेरा बाकी है.
कौन क्या बोल रहा है?
राजश्री बोल रही है सर.
कौन है?
अकाउंट्स 27.
तो क्या सो रहे थे? अभी मैं कितनी बार पूछ रहा हूँ?
सर मैं कब से बोल रही थी.
कब से क्या?
सर मैंने बोला.
चलो go ahead. Others who have left, management वाले, again I will send you the link. अगर ये खत्म हो जाता है, then you join and we'll finish your viva also. Osra, you have to come because I'll give you the absentee list of
हाँ सर चलेगा चलेगा.
management also. Go ahead, roll
Yes,
number
sir.
27.
Yes, sir. This is my index. First chapter.
Close the book. Rachri.
Yes, sir.
Any 5 ratio, quickly.
Sorry, sir.
Any 5 ratio and their formula.
Okay. Gross profit ratio. Gross profit upon net sales into 100. Net profit ratio. Net profit before tax into net sales into 100. Operating ratio. Operating profit into net sales into 100. And stock turnover ratio. Cost of goods upon stock. Average stock. Uh, and current ratio, current assets into current liability.
Okay. Now we will start management from roll number 6 and remaining whosoever is there for management. Okay. So I'm sending you the link. Kindly join that link so that we'll finish management also. There are only few students. Only for 10-15 minutes we'll meet and then our Viva will be over. Then finally all the list, Osra will update on the group and then we will see what to be done with them. So
Okay,
kindly
sir.
join with the same login and password. And restarting the meeting again after 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, bye.